Hello. Today is 28th January 2025 and we have brought for you detailed and accurate horoscopes for all zodiac signs. This horoscope will help you make your day better. Please note, this information has been collected from the internet and we do not claim its complete veracity. Aries, today will be full of energy and confidence. Work will gain momentum and pending tasks will be completed. You will get the fruits of your courage and hard work. New opportunities can be found in career. Peace will prevail in personal life, but the health of the elders of the house can be a little disturbing. The day is excellent from the financial point of view. Think carefully before investing, Taurus. Today will be auspicious for family and relationships. You may meet an old friend who will bring happiness. There are signs of financial gain, but keep unnecessary expenses under control. Your ability will be recognized in the workplace. Pay attention to health, especially avoid stomach-related problems. The evening will be spent in religious activities. Gemini, the day is bringing auspicious signs for you. New projects can be started. Social circle will increase and you will get an opportunity to meet important people. There are chances of travel, but be careful during the journey. There will be profit in financial matters, but avoid big investments. There is a need to maintain balance in family life. Cancer, interest in religious activities will increase. You will get an opportunity to spend time with family and relationships will get stronger. Your performance will be better at work. You will get support from seniors. Health will improve, but protect yourself from cold. Financially, the day will be normal, but you can get relief from some old debt. Leo, today is the day to work with restraint and patience. Be cautious in financial matters. Avoid risky tasks. Spend time with friends and family. Your confidence will help you overcome difficulties. Sweetness will remain in love life. Take care of health and stay away from stress. Virgo, today can open the door to success for you. Your hard work in the workplace will pay off. Those who are looking for a job can get good news. Happiness and peace will remain in the family. The day will be beneficial in financial matters. Health will be good, but try to protect yourself from fatigue. Libra, you may have to face some challenging situations today. Maintain emotional balance. There may be tension in the family environment, but you will be able to handle it. The financial situation will be normal. Take care of your health and take time to rest. Scorpio, today will be favorable for you. Confidence will increase and new opportunities will knock at your door. Positive changes can come in romantic life. Your ability and hard work will be recognized in the workplace. Health will improve. Time is good for investment. Sagittarius, today is an auspicious day for travel. There will be progress in work and your plans will be successful. You will get support from colleagues and friends. The financial situation will be strong. You can plan to go to a special place with the family. Take care of health and avoid fried foods. Capricorn, today will be auspicious for you. You will be praised in the workplace and your efforts will be rewarded. There will be happiness and peace in family life. You will get success in financial matters. The day will be good for students. Health will be good, but try to avoid mental stress. Aquarius, today is a favorable day for new ideas and plans. You may get new responsibilities in the workplace. There will be happiness in the family and sweetness will remain in relationships. You will get success in financial matters. Pay attention to health and exercise regularly. Pisces, today will be a pleasant day for you. You will get an opportunity to spend time with your spouse. There will be a busy schedule at work, but you will handle it efficiently. The day is good from the financial point of view. you can start working on new plans. Be cautious about health and take a balanced diet. Disclaimer: this information has been collected from the internet. Our channel does not claim the veracity of this information. Take it only as guidance. If you liked a detailed horoscope, please like, share, and subscribe it. Join our channel and get such interesting information daily. Thank you.